are fine. Today I will tell you a recipe of fruit salad. Let's start. My fruit recipe is very easy. Chop all the fruit in the similar size pieces. I will add mango in the fruit. Now I will add the peach. Now I will add the fruit cocktail. Now I will cut the mango into slices. Here is sugar 3 teaspoon, half teaspoon pink salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder and 20 to 25 almonds. Now we will add all these items into the fruit. Now mix it well. Now I will add all-purpose dairy cream. Now mix it well. My fruit salad is ready to serve. You can also try this recipe at home and make yummy fruit salad. My day is going to be very fruitful. This is my fruit salad recipe. Hope you liked the recipe and enjoyed the video. Bye.